Okay, so we're going to do a little test here. We've got 5 different undercoats. We've got One Step Acrylic, One Step Oil-based, Wattle PSU Aqua Prep, Max Precision Acrylic, and Berger Triple Prep. So we're going to do a scratch test on these. We've got the Taubmans Pro Sealing Paint, the Steriguard Gloss, the Berger Triple Prep, the Max Precision Acrylic, the Wattle PSU, the Aqua Prep, One Step Oil, and One Step Acrylic. Now normally I would say that the One Step Oil would be the far superior one. That is a little bit, how you say, not smooth, so I would think paint would stick to that a lot better. That's very smooth, slippery. That is similar to this, so we're just doing the scratch and that's fine. They're all good, they're all good, they're all good. Obviously sealing paint is not so good. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to use a knife, I'm going to do a cut, and then we're going to use this tape that the renderers used. We're going to stick that on, and we're going to test this in the afternoon. So we're going to do a cut there. Now this is good tape. There's our cross. Actually, we might even put it all the way down. Now another product I would have liked to put on here, which we use sometimes on satin enamel ceilings and stuff, is your Weather Shield Low Sheen, which sticks pretty good. So we'll see. It would have been nice to put some on there, but I've only got a darker colour. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, Tuesday morning. We'll leave that there, and this afternoon we'll just pop all them off and we'll see which one holds. Well, it's time to do these. Okay, let's check out this ceiling flat. Wow, there you go. That actually surprised me. That ceiling flat is doing really well. Well, if that held out that good, the Steriguard gloss will do well as well. Look at that. Berger Triple. Beautiful. No problems there. Max Precision. Ooh, not as good as, see how on the cross it hasn't lifted there, but it's lifted here a little bit. So the Max Precision actually didn't do as good as the Berger Triple Grip. Okay, PSU. Very similar. Good. That Steriguard gloss surprised me, but I can scratch it off there if I really push hard. Right, one step in oil. It's going to be bulletproof, I'm telling you. There's no way in the world that'll move. One Step Acrylic. Ooh, look at that. Not as good as what we think. So the One Step Acrylic, still good, don't get me wrong. So now we're going to use a blade. So that's the One Step Acrylic. One Step Oil. What'll appear to you? It's just marking. It's not coming off at all. Max precision. Berger triple. Steriguard gloss. Taubmans Pro Sealing Paint. So there you go. So it's up to you who you deem to be the best, but I think the One Step Oil is the best, followed by probably the PSU. Max Precision is the next, so we get 1, 2, 3. This triple grip is actually really good as well, so that might beat. It's a bit of a crossover. Steriguard gloss surprised me. Obviously the sealing paint's not too good. The One Step Acrylic has done well too, but you know, I'd trust it. There's no doubt about that. It's very trustworthy. So there you go. That's all of them. Hope you enjoy that little video.